everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So we've been having a few issues with seeing some cucumber beetles around already. It is that time of year. So I thought I would make a quick video to go about our top tips for both preventing cucumber beetles as well as how to manage them once you have an issue. So first of all, just by recognizing their name, cucumber beetles, you know you got to watch out for your cucumber plants. So the cucumbers are going to be, of course, their favorites, but that doesn't mean that they will not go after some of your other plants too. So make sure you're keeping an eye on other squashes and also like melons and cantaloupes, pumpkins, all of those things. Make sure you're watching out for them there. So first of all, prevention is key. As with pretty much any pest, try not to let them get out of hand. So try to do as much as you can to prevent from having an issue with cucumber beetles. So one of the biggest things that you can do to prevent cucumber beetle issues is by having a floating insect net cover. You can do this by what we have in the background here. You can kind of see we have some PVC dome hoop houses behind us, and we can just lay over a sheet of insect netting too whenever we are growing cucumbers. Now, the biggest thing you do want to make sure that you don't do is leave it on all season long, because your flowers need to have pollinators for them. So you want to make sure that the pollinators can get to them. So this will only be while your plant is younger. Another fantastic way to go about preventing cucumber beetles are by using companion planting. This is going to be your friend in the garden, especially if you are doing organic gardening. It will help you so much to both bring in beneficial critters to help battle the cucumber beetles, as well as some of them just straight up repel the cucumber beetles and they don't like them. So there's a bunch of different plants that are really good for your cucumbers. I actually just made a video about the top 5 companion plants for cucumbers. I will leave that link in the description below, so check that out. But long story short, some of the top ones are going to be some of your flowering plants, things like nasturtium, marigold, and then also your stronger scented herbs. So things like catnip would be really good, and sage would also be really great too. Then there's also plants like corn and radish, things like that, which can help too to repel the cucumber beetles off. But make sure that you do check out that video, because I go into a lot more detail and I give a lot of plant ideas and all of that. So make sure you check it out. So if you have done all of that and you still have an issue, so if you have a problem with cucumber beetles, there is hope for you yet. There are several different things you can do. One of the easiest things to do is to get those yellow sticky traps. And these are very easy to use. Check them out. We have links to buy them throughout our app, through the Park Seed store. So check those out. They work really well for cucumber beetles. They are attracted to the yellow color, and sometimes we've even put like a cucumber flower on one of the yellow sticky traps too, just to help to entice them to that location, and it works really well. So check those out. Like I said, we have links all throughout our app for those, but I will also leave a link in the description below too, so that way you can find it easier if you want to. Something else we've done in the past whenever we have an issue is by making a do-it-yourself cucumber beetle trap, which this is actually fairly simple. All we did was we got, you can use like a T-post, a bamboo stake, some sort of stick just in the ground, and we attached some yellow solo cups, and we put some of the sticky trap, like the sticky glue on the inside of it, and then we put a little bit of clove essential oil on the inside just to add a smell to it. And the cucumber beetles just kept coming to that. They loved it. It looked just like a cucumber plant, so they were enticed by it. So it worked really well. So that's something else that you might consider doing as well. We have a full video all about that too that we made several years ago. I'll post that in the description too. You can also put a lot of your beneficial critters to work for you as well. And so these include things like ladybugs, soldier bugs, assassin bugs, the predatory wasps even. So any of those critters will really help to eliminate a lot of your cucumber beetle issues too. And you can help to entice these into your garden by certain plants. And we have a beneficial section in our app. Make sure you check it out. It'll go through all about how to attract these beneficial critters to your garden and give you some tips and tricks too for helping out with cucumber beetles. So hopefully this video will help you a little bit to go to battle with your cucumber beetle issues, or help to prevent your cucumber beetle issues altogether, which would be even better. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will get back with you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.